Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Hey guys, guess who's back from vacation? That's right, it's me. I've recharged my batteries, I feel fresh like a pickle. I hope I don't smell like a pickle. And I'm ready to go baby. Yeah. I found some of the best makeup techniques on TikTok yesterday, and oh my god, you don't need to be super advanced in makeup to try them out. Anyone can try them out. There is only one thing I'll need for this first makeup technique: floss. Not this kind of floss. I already have piles of those. Hey, did you mean this kind of floss? Yeah, thank you. That's right, my friends. That's right, my friends, the only thing I'll need is some floss. You know how some floss is not really good quality and some strings start sticking out? Yeah, my floss is not like that. My floss has no floss. Flawless floss. So here is how they do it. First, I'm taking my flawless floss and I'm gonna dip it in some black face paint. You can also use black gel liner if you want, but this is water activated, so I'm gonna soak my brush in some water and then... Yeah, very well. Once the floss is completely covered with that black paint, we're ready to go. This is the part I'm most nervous about. Oh no. Okay, alright. No, stay there. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Guys... Yes, my friends, this went exactly the way I didn't want it to go. What is this? If it looks like I did something wrong, that's because I probably did something wrong. It looked so easy in the TikTok video. I'm not sure who is the first one who came up with this technique, but I saw it from May. She's one of my all-time favorite creators, and it was supposed to look like smoke. Where is the smoke? The only option I have here is to just keep on trying. Why it's not working out? Oh my god, what am I doing wrong? I don't understand. Okay, maybe I should try it out with gel eyeliner instead of face paint. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, here we go. Let's see what I did.
That's a little disappointing.
I gotta make this work. Guys, I got it. I think I know how to do it. Guys, I think I know what I was doing wrong. My friends. See, this is what happens when you get a little too excited a little too quickly. The truth is, I didn't exactly figure it out, but I like my enthusiasm. Yeah, that felt good. I thought that the reason it came out like that was because my floss was way too dry. So I added more water to the paint. And that turned out to be a very bad idea. But then I tried again and 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 again. And guys, I can't believe I underestimated this. This is the best I can do and I'm not impressed.
Story of my life.
I'm embarrassed to tell you guys how many times I wiped off my forehead. It kind of looks like smoke. It looks cool, but no. All I wanted was to have smoky eyebrows. Oh my god, that sounds like a meal in a fancy restaurant. Smoky eyebrows. Here, ma'am, the smoky eyebrows you ordered. Ugh. I once burnt my eyebrows. Not on purpose. It was an accident. I was 10. Got the real smoky eyes. And no eyebrows for 2 weeks. I was 10. I didn't care. This is the best I can do. And honestly, I don't like how it looks. I was expecting it to look so much better than this. Maybe I'm just not good at this. Maybe. But you know what I am? Stubborn. I saw this version of the look and I completely lost my mind. How awesome is this? Yes, colors. Fingers crossed. Toes crossed. My cow? I don't have a cow. My cat paws also crossed. I don't have a cat either. I'm gonna need you to hope very hard for this to work. The interesting thing about this technique is that you never know what will come out once you pull the floss. It's like a little surprise from you to you. Guys, this is definitely going somewhere. I have a really good feeling about the colors. And rightfully so. Oh my god, this came out so nice. This is unbelievably stunning. I love how this turned out. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want to be bragging, but I look smoking hot today. This solidifies my theory that colors make everything so much better. My forehead is on fire. I like how my eyebrows are somewhere lost in the smoke. But burning question. I recently recreated the under eye rainbow look. It was super trending on TikTok. And comparing it to today's rainbow smoke, which one do you like more? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, this is a tough one. My friends, with great sadness I announced that I'll need to wipe it off now. I don't want to do it. Okay, let me take one Instagram story and I'll be back.
Just doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right.
My hair looks like a tent. Okay, but be honest with me. How many times have you just been applying your mascara and then this happened? It especially hurts when you've been blending your eyeshadows for like 2 hours and then the mascara just... But what if I tell you, you don't need to wipe it off? No, leave it there. This can be a new trend and it actually is. There are so many videos on TikTok where people do their makeup using their mascara wand only. And it is quite cool. There are different levels depending on how bold you wanna go. So let's go bold. Let's try out this one first. Oops, the wand is a little spiky. Ow, ow, ow. The wand is poking me very aggressively. It makes my eyes so watery. Yeah, I think I need a different wand. This one is not really doing it. Oh, I like how different wands give you completely different results. Ow. It feels like I'm microneedling my eyelid. Guys, this is so cool. I love it. I'm gonna call this look Black Snow. Ooh, so edgy. I don't have a mascara wand that would make it look like this. Like little dots. Ding, 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 ding. You know what mascara wand would definitely not work with this makeup technique? Remember the metal mascara wand from my previous video? Yeah, that's gonna be messy. Let's try it out. I've been using that mascara so much. It's amazing. It's so good I even hid it for myself. I took it with me on my vacation. Check it out. It's super cool. It has no bristles. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna lie if I say that I didn't expect this. Guys, don't be confused. This is not your typical everyday natural glam makeup look. No, it's a little more intense and that's what makes it cool. It's more avant-garde, and if you add some black eyeshadow or if you just simply blend the mascara while it's still wet, it gets even better. This is awesome already, but if you want to get even more creative, you can also carve out some words. I had something in my mind, but it didn't come out how I wanted. I wanted it to look like claws. I don't want to spend too much time trying to fix this because my personal favorite is this one. All I need to do is add some dots of mascara on my eyelid and then I'll start pulling the mascara towards the center of my eyelid. Bloop, 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 bloop. I find it so oddly satisfying when I'm dragging the mascara across my eyelids. And the best thing about this one is that it's not nearly as painful as the previous one, so I appreciate that. You guys will hate me if I tell you what this look reminds me of. You won't be able to unsee it. I'm gonna tell you anyways. This look reminds me so much of this photo. It's the same thing. Come on, it has to be inspired by it. That's why I'm gonna call this look Hot Asphalt versus Flip Flop. So what do you guys think? I think that it's a little too intense for me, but overall, it looks really cool. Someone in the comments of that TikTok video said that it's giving Julia Fox vibes, and I completely agree. Yeah. I don't want to admit how many times I wiped off my makeup today. It's unbelievable. I feel like I lost 3 layers of skin. The following makeup look is probably something that you've never seen before. Yeah, it's a fresh new idea that I've never seen anyone do before. Honestly guys, I've never tried anything like this before and I've tried so many things. This is something different. This is actually my first time seeing someone do their makeup and then building it up to a whole new level using the powers of editing. Did anyone say editing? So this is the makeup and then this is what happens when you add a sprinkle of editing. Just Not only is this absolutely amazing, it's actually genius, because it gave me a really cool idea. What if I make a nice and big and thick and juicy eyeliner like this one? Oh, look at that thing. And then use some editing to turn it into something like this. They say the sky is the limit, but I'm not gonna limit myself with just the sky. Galaxy? Yes, please. Fireworks. Flowers. Rainbows. You name it, it's my eyeliner now. From 1 to 10, this is 1,000. Yep, I told you this is going to be something different. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. By the way, don't forget to go and follow these amazing creators on their Instagram, on their TikTok, so that they can keep on making awesome stuff like this. Today's video was so much fun, but I went through so many makeup looks and I am exhausted. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next. I tried some very unusual makeup products. Or you can check out this one. TikTok made me do this. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my